Here we go. Then I got everything together to get a lineup video for you. Just had 78 horsepower running here. 6 horse, 3 12 horse, 2 18s. That's 78 horsepower. Sears horsepower. Alright guys, as of today, this is all 6 of my tractors together. Got the 66 Sears Custom 6, 68 Sears SS12, 69 Suburban 12, 72 Suburban 12, 77 18.6, and the 78 GT18. So, just figure I'd give you a quick lineup vid. It's actually like the first time I've had them all together in a long time, so. We're getting there, guys. We got 2 of them done. The custom's going to be next. I tried out some more of that red on the deck here. Looks pretty nice. So that was the sunrise red, I believe. So I think that's the color I'm going to go with. Looks pretty sharp on there. So I'll be doing this one next, and then we're going to move on to this one. And then I don't know when, but eventually I'm going to redo this one, because I did this one in 07, I think, early 07, 2007, and it's starting to chip and fade, so I didn't really do a good job on this one like I'd been doing on these. So that's next, and then we're going to do this one too. We'll leave this one in its work clothes for a little bit because I like cutting with this guy, so. But eventually it'll get done. And you never know, guys, there might be more coming down the pipe, so. But as of today, I think it's July 5th, 2014, this is the lineup. All 6 of my beasts. So, alright guys, sorry about the wind. It's getting windy here, so. Alrighty guys, we'll talk to you later.